Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today, I would like to show you just the local updates for Polkadot. Let's dive in. I want to start and show you this proposal now on government's Polkadot. So, of course, it's nothing serious. It's just a random proposal, so anyone can start some proposing. So people voted and decided. So the community decided. So Bitcoin reserved for the Polkadot treasury. This proposal will convert 500K DOT into BTC over the course of the year using hydration roll and DCA feature. So the people is ready to convert Polkadot, $500 million Polkadot at this current price into BTC at this current price 100K. So it's so unlogical because imagine why there are people, some people in the comment section when I posted this, and it's just like nonsense. People start writing, oh, it's good for a Polkadot community. They think in the long term and all of this stuff, guys. Why? In this case, they want to convert DOT into BTC, for example, at this price, and when BTC was at, for example, 55, not a 100K, and Polkadot at $3.82. It's just a mind-blowing. So even the community looks like even one believe in the Polkadot, so they ready to convert $500 million DOT at this current price into BTC. It's kind of weird, guys. It's kind of weird. For Polkadot, my targets didn't change. So $34, $34. It's my target. Maybe the end of cycle for this token. Most positive targets, I remind you, it's $80. But I don't think so. The Polkadot will hit the $80. Globally, Polkadot's still in accumulation zone. So nothing special happening. So the accumulation zone is between $6.65 and $2.96. Crash, it's going to be, yes, the test of perfect test, $2.96 will be amazing. Can we test it? Yes, of course. Locally, we leave the actual highs. So definitely, guys, sooner or later, with news, with a partnership, without a partnership, just absolutely, you can just unfollow all social of Polkadot, and you will see how and when the price will hit this target. Just because of basic liquidity inflow into alts when the BTC dominance is going down. And absolutely all of this fundamental stuff with Polkadot, yes, you can love it, you can hate it. Maybe some people who invest in a Polkadot, they think it's something fundamental and all of this stuff. But guys, take a look. If the Polkadot now start like meme trades and promote the memes on DOT chain, everybody talk about it DOT. And everybody start talking about, oh, take a look how good this technology and all of this stuff. Polkadot will overperform the Ethereum just because of it will be so popular. The same with the Sol. And just if the people talk about some token, people think it's something special. So Solana basically Solana performs because of meme coins. Yes, because everybody trade and ape in the memes. And if tomorrow everybody start ape in the DOT memes, everybody start talking, yes, take a look, the DOT is so special. It's a great one. That's why, guys, fundamental basically absolutely doesn't matter. Absolutely. For funds not invest in technologies. They invest in promising startup where they can get a biggest allocation. So that's the point. And anyway, sooner or later, Polkadot will hit the locally. It's $12. 100%, I guess we will hit this target. Now we start looking like double bottom. We start forming the double bottom on the weekly. You remember on the YTX, we formed the triple bottom, and after that, we formed the pure triple bottom on the YTX, like this one, and crash it down again. That's why all of these patterns is just a patterns, guys. So most positive case scenario, it's a sweep of this liquidity and bounce. the size of this double bottom will be around $23. So guys, we need just to wait when the liquidity will outflow from the BTC in all sectors and the Polkadot also. So everything so simple. So there is no magic behind the project or so. No, there is just a basic liquidity. Here, we leave the low in August 74, sweep that low in April 75. Should we drop again to that low? I have no idea, but would be good to see the retest $3.59. So we grab liquidity on a weekly time frame. Daily time frame. Here, we grab this one, grab it, bounce. This one, grab it, bounce, retested the third one, $3.59. Locally on the daily, I showed you basically we are looking long positions. So we got an impulse, break this structure, and now we need to hold the line around here, $3.59. From this entry would be it's logical. Can we drop lower? Yes, of course, but it's logical entry with, for example, on a spot entry and or second leverage, for example. Yeah, stop loss like 10%, so it's 20 with second leverage, or a spot, it's 10% stop loss. It's okay. And targets, of course, targets way higher. Imagine here, the first target, 227%. So the risk, 10%, 227% profit. Just the first main trouble area. Got it. Of course, entry, we can start looking lower. If we will drop. About the war between the Israel and Iran, yesterday I made a post, so sometimes better wait, because based on recent military conflicts, we can find the market needs like around the week to figure out what's going on, right? And in what direction we will move forward. That's why better sometimes skip some position. But locally, even locally, so this was the last impulse, low, bounce, break the structure, so simple break of structure. If we talk about, for example, the FIB, so from the low to the impulse up, here, this one. So we test 78 level by FIB. Sometimes, guys, everything is so simple if we not build so complicated charts and million lines and all of this stuff. Here. We got impulse, down, swings, high, low, bounce, break the structure, confirm, because the candles closed above, correction, here 0.5 level by FIB, drop, retest, rejection at 0.5, collapse to 78. That's why it would be good to see 355 or this line like 359. Retest and start climbing up to the top, something like this one, and going higher. So this is the case. Invalidation of this idea will be if we drop under $3.25. Until we above the $3.25, you know, we can move on. So it's kind of pretty simple. Let's check on the daily time frame, guys. What's going on with the dot? This is accumulation. So I guess soon on the spot, the best zone will be 296. For swings, 355, 359. This is a capitulation on the daily. We're at the bottom on direction. We are an ADZ in accumulation. So this is not a distribution zone. I'm in, by the way, I'm in Polkadot. And now I'm in temporary losses, but I'm my target at around $25, $30 for Polkadot. So I'm not complaining about Polkadot. No, I just don't like the when the token just pretend to be some special, right? And it's and just a simple speculation, right? Because the charts never lie. When the token skyrocket because of simple liquidity inflow into token, everybody starts talking about, oh, take a look, they work so hard, that's why we pump it. No, we pump it because of liquidity inflow in and liquidity rotation between the tokens. So pretty simple. So open the chart of Mantra. So Mantra pumped 36K with the market makers up, and after that landed back from $9 to 30 cents without any hack, without any bad news, nothing. Just because the early investors, the funds, the market makers, press sell by market. So it's pretty simple speculation. The same story with any other tokens, guys. And when you stop monetize the tokens and start just trading assets like active, for the trades, for speculation, because at the end we need a profit, you will understand the market and you will trade without emotion and invest without emotion. So here, this was a last money inflow, April, zone 25. It's a good one. Bounce, money outflow, need to wait the money inflow. So this is what I'm looking for. And trade on, buy, last one, buy. Here, break of structure, take profit from the buy, sell, buy back, and this buy still relevant. That's why I told you the sweep of this last low, it's a capitulation to $2.97. If we hold the line, and I wish to hold the line around this low of August 24, this one, we will see one more buyback signal and we'll go higher. So that's the point. Take profit, guys. Take profit. This looks kind of bad. Why? Because here on the daily, we retested the buy line, not retested take profit, going down. So capitulation, all lines are dynamic, and till that time, the capitulation can be, or buy line can be around here. But now on the daily, buy line, it's $2.81. 12-hour time frame, a little bit higher here. So it's 27 level, $2.97, 93. That's why, yes, the last sweep of this low, it can be $2.92. It's up to you where to accumulate. If you took a risk here, it's a logical entry. It's a logical one. So it's not a gambling. Weekly, it's a more important higher time frame, right? I don't see any reason why we have to drop now to 27 level, $2.96, 97. But it's possible. So it's a fundamental value. Now we try hold the line around the buy line. Take a look. The take profit line for Polkadot at this current moment, $7.92. Exit line, $8.94. So like speculation, like investment, now it's of course okay accumulate a Polkadot. So no matter what they post, no matter what they will post, what they will try to introduce you in the future, it's just basic speculation and based on risk ratio. Now it's okay zone for accumulation, logical zone. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment, what do you think about Polkadot current price action? If you would like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.